Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be explaining the past perfect. So, what is the past perfect? How do we form it? And most importantly, when do we use it? Because this is something that most of the people do not know how to do. Like, what is this past of a past or whatever? So, I am going to explain it to you first, and then we're going to practice it a little bit, and I hope this video will be very useful for you. So let's get started. What is a past perfect? Past perfect is formed in the following way. Had plus past participle. So past participle refers to verb 3. Okay, so see, saw, seen. And in this case, I made a sentence. I had seen that movie a long time ago. But here, we don't really understand exactly why do we use a past perfect. This is going to be why we use a past perfect using these two examples. So here you have sentence 1, and then we have sentence 2. So these two sentences are almost the same, but actually super different in meaning. And you will understand how terrible it is if you made the second sentence. So the first sentence here, when I arrived at the airport, the plane took off. And here, this is my timeline. This is the present, and all of this is the past. So I arrived, A, the plane took off, B. So this is in a chronological order. Now, we said that the past perfect is a past of a past. So here again, let's say I arrive at the airport here. So this is again action A. Where do you think action B is going to stand? Yeah, did you guess it? So unfortunately, action B happened before action A. So here is going to be action B. So in this situation, if I use the past perfect, unfortunately, it means that exactly, it means that I missed my plane. In this situation, it's a very bad day for me. I missed my plane. Woohoo! So this is the first situation and case in which we use the past perfect. It is to explain that the things did not happen in a chronological way, but something that was supposed to happen after happened actually before. Okay? Now, the second way we use the past perfect is to express regrets. So we usually use it in two cases. We use it with the following sentence. I wish, right? Honestly, when I was at school, I was a very good student, but a super lazy student. So because I was super lazy, I always went for the easier options, and I graduated well, but it was not good enough. I could have done better. So here I have a regret. I wish I had studied harder. Trust me, guys, this is a real regret, because if I had studied harder, I might have gotten a better job or gotten into a better school and so on and so forth. But I was not super hardworking, unfortunately. So here, I wish I studied harder. Here, it expresses, of course, regrets. Okay? So the second way we can use it also with the third conditional. So if you are curious about the third conditional, you can check one of my videos. It goes the same. If I had studied harder, I would have gotten into a better school. Now, again, it's the same. I'm expressing regret. So about something that cannot be changed in the past. This is how we use it. This is unreal in the past to express regrets. And the third way in which we use the past perfect is to answer how long. Remember, guys, whenever you see how long, there are two ways to answer it. It's either the present perfect or the past perfect. Now, what is the difference? When answering how long with the present perfect, it means the thing is still going on, okay? Using a past perfect, it means this is over a long time ago. Now, this is the difference. I will write two questions and you will see how it is differently answered. How long have you worked as a teacher? And the second one, how long had you worked as a teacher at WSE? Now, WSE is the old language school where I used to work. So this is how I'm going to answer both questions. The first one is going to be with the present perfect because now I'm still a teacher, right? So I have worked as a teacher for 10 years. Yeah, I know, it's been so long already. And the second one, I had worked at WSC for 4 years. Now, this is the difference between these two sentences. Again, always my timeline. This is the best way to explain to you anything. So here we have a timeline, and this is the present, of course. Now, the first sentence, that is A, here. So this sentence, I have worked for 10 years. So I don't know, I started sometime here. Let's mark it. Okay, so I started there and I am still working there as a teacher. So here, sorry. So I'm going to mark it here. And the first sentence, I have worked for 10 years. So I started here and to today, I'm still a teacher and hopefully I will continue to be a teacher for a while more. As for the second sentence, it's going to be in pink. I had worked for 4 years. So actually, this is a time around here. I think it was between 2015 and 2019. So from here to here, you see? So this is something that lasted 4 years in the past. After here, I quit. And then I had worked for a university for 2 years, then I quit again. And now I went solo, freelance. So this is the difference between using have you worked and had you worked. Long story short. When do we use the past perfect? We use the past perfect whenever things happened in a way that was not supposed to be. Okay, or cannot be changed anymore. So either we have the wrong chronological order and you missed your plane, or you have regrets about the past that cannot be undone anymore. So whenever you use past perfect, be sure that you are not very happy about the sentence that you're going to make. Okay?